Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LFAP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 14 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 14, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes that you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As Tuesday and the remainder of the week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 14 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward. Nothing complicated other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at 19 cents. So 19 cents will be public enemy number one going into Tuesday. All in all, though, the most important thing that matters the most is what's already been going on, and that is just what have the lows been doing. And as you see here, the lows have continued to get higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as this price movement continues with the higher bases, that's the name of the game, because as long as the price builds higher lows, then given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking through areas of resistance. So all in all, nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.